There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you so, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it, no, it's my heart. You're shit out of your life, I'll make it tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love.
What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Christian. Hey guys, what's up? It's Christian here. That's horrible. What's up, guys? It's Christian. Yeah, that. I'm headed to the shop this morning. I'm running a little bit late because I was actually editing a video for Sunday for you guys. I was just finishing it up, and I wanted to have it done before I even got there so it could just export and be ready for you guys. But before I get into anything else, really quick, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys. It has been awesome coming into Premium, and doing what I do has been so streamlined and so natural feeling, and everyone has been so accepting. Me not only just being there, but also working with the rest of the team. It's been really cool seeing all of you guys' positive comments. It's crazy to me that just a little over a month ago, I was somewhere completely different in my life, and I was just doing my design stuff on the side while doing just a regular day job. And now I get to be creative and add something to this awesome team and be able to show you guys every day. So it's really cool. And I say "and" a lot. It's something I have to work on. Please cut that, dear Lord. So I just want to thank you guys so much. It's amazing. Honestly, thank you. There is 2 of you guys that I want to shout out really quick because you guys always comment, like all the time. It is so cool. So James Williams and Jonathan Crubb, you guys are the real MVPs. Heck yeah. The coolest thing is it's not just doing the hashtag, it's actually like giving feedback to our videos, and it's so awesome. Like when people do that, one, it helps us, you know, make the next one even better based off of feedback like that. And it's just awesome to have you guys actually entertained by what we're doing. Today is gonna be, I don't know, it's actually, I think it's gonna be a mystery. I know as soon as I get there, I'm gonna need to export this video, get approval by Jefe. Oh, wait, there's a Camry over there. By the way, if you guys don't already know, we just made overlays for that Camry. It was a difficult one to make, but one of my favorite end results as for overlays, because that completely changes the look of an already very aggressive rear end on that Camry.
Honey, 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 honey.
Good morning.
Morning. I've never seen you wear shorts before, and I'm just like,
please don't wear shorts ever.
Alright, good.
You've been vlogging today?
Yes, I have.
No way.
Yes, I have.
No way. I am so curious to see what this guy's day is like here. All right, well, let's figure out how to get all of these cars out. AFE, the 4Runner, and the BRZ. And then obviously you gotta get this one out. Where's Johnnee at?
Looks like everyone's just getting things figured out for the day. I'm gonna bring my stuff in and get this video rendered. Johnny's the real MVP right there. Woo! This guy's the real MVP. Okay, what's up?
Be yourself, have fun, and just get them talking, have a good time. They're used to it. Yeah. And Christian, you're exporting right now?
Yep, it is exporting right now.
Alright, you have anything you want to talk about?
Nope, but with that being said, we're gonna throw the vlog over to this guy, and he'll take you guys for the rest of the ride through the day.
What's up, guys? They just handed me the camera, so I'm gonna help out with the vlog today. Let's see what these guys are up to today.
Where'd your wrap go? I don't know. In this web, dude, you can't see it. That's wild, dude. It looks like a great car. we actually wrapped this car a year and a half ago. It's been about a year. Between that process of us wrapping the car, Freddie, the owner, took it to a buddy, and he had some vinyl work done on it, decals and all that. At the same time, they did a little delete right here on the side, basically added gloss black. Only problem is that they did it with a blade and they cut directly on the light. The whole light is scratched. Basically what happened is all of that's scratched right there. It happens pretty often. We see this come in all the time. People get their headlights, taillights smoked or stuff like this done, and the installer will do it improperly, and unfortunately you don't know that it happened until you remove the overlay. So the overlay was on here. Once it was removed, you can see the big scratch there. So now what we're having to do is we're gonna do the reverse method. We're gonna go in, we're gonna do it right with knifeless tape, but now because it's scratched, we have to move the overlay a little bit more forward, which isn't gonna look as aesthetically pleasing because it should sit further back, but we have to cover up the scratch here. So that's what you see what we did over there. It's already done. I'm gonna complete this one. I'll show you guys how I did it. We have custom pre-cuts that were already created. So these are already available on the website. They fall a little shorter than what he needed to correct the damage, so we had to do those custom. But if you do like this look, you can definitely get on the website. Here's what the pre-cuts look like. The install is the same, but there is no knifeless tape required and minimal blading needed to do any trimming on it. So.
I don't know what happened. Alright guys, glad you guys made it to the end. Happy to see you guys' beautiful faces. Gentlemen, ladies, others, dogs, grandmas, nephews, ants. Whatever you are, whatever you label yourself as, welcome to the end. Namaste.
This is just a vlog, but we are looking for interns for Premium Media because
he's quitting like a
I'm quitting like a but that being said, send in your resume and your demo reels to work@premiumautostyling.com. We'll review your work and hopefully we'll be giving you an email back saying to come in and intern. Andy has been interning for the past week, so we're just exploring everyone's talents, and yeah, we got Dustin Williams coming tomorrow.
Dustin Williams, gorgeous bastard. Now get out, guys. Get out. Leave.
Get the
leave.
Go.
What's up, bitches? My name's Hefina. Welcome to fucking Premium Auto Styling, bitch.